d by dx u w. Can you let me know what is the formula? It is equal to what? Let me know. What is the formula? U dw by dx, right? Plus w du by dx. Write down. I think all of you know it, right? If we integrate, then actually what is happening here, you see, integration sign d by dx uw dx, right, is equal to integration sign u dw by dx dx, okay, plus integration sign w du by dx dx. Integrating both sides. Please try to understand what we have done. This is the formula of multiplication for differentiation. Okay. Now, second line, we have integrated. You see, integration sign as well as dx, integration sign as well as dx, integration sign as well as dx. Okay. Now you see, suppose dx will be omitted. Okay. Dx will be omitted. Now integration and d for differentiation. Integration and differentiation will be repulsed. Okay. Integration and differentiation sign will be repulsed. So we are left with here only uw. Please try to understand. Dx will be omitted, and this is always repulsed. Okay. Integration and differentiation always repulsed. That means we are left here u dw by dx, okay, plus integration w du by dx dx. From here, what we can write? Suppose we are going to write down this part. So this part equals to what? This part. This part can be written u du by dx into dx is equal to uw minus integration w du by dx into dx. Okay. What I mean is that this part is equal to this minus this. Okay. Very good. Suppose we write down here. Now we write down a side note here. Okay. You see this part dw by dx. You see dw by dx. Let dw by dx is equal to v, suppose. Okay. Now if we again integrate it, what will we get? Integration sign dw by dx dx. Then what we will get here? We will get integration sign v dx. Please try to understand. Integration sign v dx. Okay. Have you got it? we are going to integrate again. Now you see dx will be omitted, integration and differentiation will be repulsed. So we are left in the new left hand side by only w. W is equal to, you see, have you seen, dx will be omitted, integration and d will be repulsed. So w is equal to, we are getting integration sign v dx.
Sir,
Okay,
sir,
yes,
আপনি কি রিপালস শব্দটা দিয়ে বোঝাতে চাচ্ছেন যে ইন্টিগ্রেশন আর ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন একে অপরকে ক্যান্সেল আউট করে?
yes, and one day I told you. Okay, suppose x is differentiation what, 1. Okay, is what is the differentiation of x,
1, স্যার।
and its integration is again x.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
got it? That means d and f, they are working in the same style. One day I told you, right? Differentiation of x is 1, whereas integration of 1 is x. So same thing, if we differentiation x, again if we integration x, so we are getting the same result. Sorry, if we differentiation x, then we get 1. If we integrate that one again, we get x. So we are left with the same thing, right? Okay?
Yes, sir, বুঝেছি।
Okay. Now you see, you just put the value here. It is integration sign. It is u. Now what is the value of dw by dx? The value of dw by dx here, you see, dw by dx. dw by dx, what is its value? Its value is v, right?
V, স্যার।
Write down v dx is equal to, you see, it is u, it is u. What is the value of w? W is this integration sign v dx, integration sign v dx. Okay, minus, okay, I am going to write down this part at first. Okay, so integration sign at first, this is integration sign. Okay, so we should write down this part as it is u. Here it is u at first. So we are going to write down this part at first. Okay, that means this only du by dx. This du by dx will be written at first. So write down du by dx. This is u. This is u. Du by dx I have written at first. Okay. Du by dx I have written at first. Now, what is the value of w? Value of w is v dx. Write down v dx. V dx. Okay. Value of w is v dx. Now you see there is another dx. Where this dx will be put? So what will we do? We will give here a third bracket. We are done, and this dx. So this is the formula. For integration, in case of multiplication, this is the formula. Now, how you will remember this formula? You please see again how you will remember this formula. Write down. Suppose this is uv dx. Okay, you see uv dx. So I am going to write down uv dx. Have you seen? I am going to write down uv dx. This is uv dx. I have written uv dx minus. You again write down uv dx. Okay, how you remember this formula? Please try to understand. This is uv dx. This is uv dx. Okay, in this way, you see, I have written the same thing, uv dx, uv dx. Okay, actually integration sign has been taken after u. Okay, very good. Then you see this u will be differentiated again here. Very good. So this is du by dx. Okay. Now you give here a third bracket or second bracket. This is dx, and top to bottom integration sign. This is the way how you will remember this formula. Okay. Please try to understand. But after doing 1 or 2 maths, you will come to know everything. I'm going to exercise 10.4. 10.4. Write down 10.4. Question number 1. Very easy and simple math. You see x e to the power x dx. So it is u, it is v. Okay. Just let me know what is the formula. You write down x integration sign. You see x integration sign v. V is e to the power x dx. As I told you, you see. Okay. Then minus integration sign, second bracket, d by dx, u means what? X. So we can write down here x. Okay. Du by dx, this part. Again, integration sign v dx. V dx means e to the power x dx, second bracket, close, again dx. Now you see, according to this formula, have I put or not? You see this part, as I told you,
Yes,
u
sir.
u v dx. You see u v dx. You see this is u. Okay, u integration sign v dx. Okay, just d by dx here dx. Now you see, just let me know, it is x. What is the integration of ex? Talk to me. What is the integration of ex? Is ex? Okay, this is minus integration sign. What is d by dx? X. It is 1. X. What is the differentiation of x? Is 1. So we can write down 1. Okay, we are going to write down 1. Okay, then it is what? Again, it is ex dx. Actually, this one, have you seen? Actually, this one, we don't have any value. But for the first math, I am going to write down this one. Third bracket, this is dx. Okay, now you see, this one actually no value, has no value. It is x e to the power x minus, you see integration sign. Okay, this one has no value. Ex dx means ex. Then again dx. Okay, now you again write down x ex minus, you see ex equals to what? Ex dx equals to ex plus c. So math is done. Now talk to me.
Sir, which
Okay, by the way, from the next math, we will not do this part. This part is not required anymore. Okay, we can directly write down this part from this part. Okay, so let's do some other maths, then we will come to know. Okay, the next math is 2 1 x ln x dx, x ln x dx. Okay, so we can rearrange it for our betterment. Suppose it is ln x, then it is x dx. It is u, it is v. So what will we do? Let me know. This is ln x, then it is what? X dx. Okay, is it? Minus integration sign d by dx u, that is ln x. Okay, integration sign x dx, x dx. Okay, then here the second bracket, sorry, the third bracket, dx. Talk to me. You have to know the formula. Now let me know. This is ln x. What is x dx? Is x square by 2. X is what? X square by 2, right? Its power is 1. Minus, you see, ln x equals to what? Ln x equals to what? Let me know. 1 by x. D by dx ln x equals to what? 1 by x. Now it is x dx again. X square by 2. This is dx. This is dx. This is integration sign. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we get x square ln x by 2 minus, you cancel it, x by 2, right? X by 2, that is half x dx. Is it? So we can write down here x square ln x by 2 minus, it is a half, and what is x? X is x square by 2. X square by 2 plus c, right? It is our answer. Just we have to write down 2 to the 4. Okay, we have to write down x square by 4 at last, and this is the answer. For ln x, if you say anywhere ln x, you will take it u. For ln x, you are required to take as by u. Okay, so we are going to the next math.
স্যার না নিলে কি হবে ln x কে u
Uh,
হিসেবে?
there will be time that you will fail to do. Okay, I'll show you why it is to be taken. 2 2 2 2. Okay, again you see ln x dx, ln x dx. Okay, you see what is the math? We have only u, we don't have v, right? So what will we do? We write down this is ln x dot, this is 1 dx. What is happening here? Here v is 1. Okay, it is u and it is v. Are you getting me? There is no v here. Okay, there is no v here. Okay, that's good. Now you see, now what is the formula? Write down ln x 1 dx, right? Talk to me. Minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dx. It is u. U means what? Ln x. Then integration sign 1 dx, third bracket is closed. Okay, now you see this is ln x. Now let me know 1 dx means what? X. What is the integration of 1? Is x, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus, you see integration sign, ln x is what? 1 by x. And what is 1? Integration of 1 is what? X. Is it? Dx. That is, we are getting here x ln x minus, it is x's will be omitted, it is 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx again, integration of 1 dx. So what is 1? 1 is
স্যার
what?
এটা ডিরেক্ট x লেখা যায় না?
Yes, we will write down for the time being. So it is minus x plus c. So we are done here. Okay. Then we are getting question number 3. Question number 3. Sin ln x dx. Okay. Sin ln x dx. We write down I is equal to sin ln x, sine ln x dx. Okay, this is the math. So
স্যার
what is,
লনেক্স কে ইউ ধরবো না?
no, we are getting, you see, sine ln x will be considered as by u. This is a function, it is not two functions, it is only one function. Okay, so it is u, then it is 1 dx. Have got me? Sine, only sine, is it a function? No, it is x or ln x, whatever it is then a function. Okay, sine is not a function. Okay, now you have to do this math, you see. So what will you do? Talk to me. Sine ln x integration 1 dx. Okay, minus integration sine third bracket d by dx sine ln x. Okay, then integration sine 1 dx, third bracket is closed, again dx. Talk to me. Okay, now we see sine ln x. 1 means what? 1 means only x. Okay, that you know. Minus, now let me know what will be it. Can you please tell me? Sin x equals to what? Cos x. Sin x means cos x, right? This is sin x. Sin x, its differentiation is cos x. But this ln x will be again differentiated. That is 1 by x. Again, it is 1, so it will be x. Integration sine dx. Where this xx will be omitted. Talk to me. Hello.
স্যার এই
Yes.
10 পয়েন্টের আর কয়টা এক্সারসাইজ আছে?
You are left only by 2 exercises, 3 exercises. Now you see, this is x's will be omitted. Now it is sine. Okay, very good. We are going to write down this x at first. X sine ln x minus. You see, we can write down in this way cosine ln x dot 1 dx. Okay. So for it is I for kind information for this math. You have to write like this. This was given in too many exams. Okay. Now you see, it is I for integration, x sine ln x. Okay. Then minus.
স্যার অন্য ম্যাথ গুলাতে তো আই লিখি নাই।
Not a matter. You can write.
এটা
You can,
আমারও কোয়েশ্চেন স্যার,
okay.
এটাতে এমন কি স্পেশাল যেটাতে আই
Yes,
প্রত্যেকবার লেখা লাগবে?
it has. You can write down I for every math. Okay. Now you see, what is the formula here? Talk to me. It is what? Cosine ln x integration 1 dx, right? Is it? I am going to write down third bracket here for this word. Okay. Then again minus in the formula. Minus, talk to me. What will be written? Integration sign. Now I am giving here second bracket. D by dx cosine ln x. Okay. Then again integration sign 1 dx. Second bracket is done. Again dx. Top to bottom third bracket. Let's try to understand. This math, you see, in one math, we have another formula. Have you seen? Okay. Okay, that is I is equal to x sine ln x minus, you see, what is the formula? Cosine ln x. That's good. Cosine ln x. It is 1. 1 means what? X. Minus, minus, plus. Okay, that's good. Now, cosine ln x. Talk to me. What will be the result? What is the formula cosine theta? Cosine, that is minus sine, right? So, minus sine theta. Theta is what? Ln x. Theta is ln x. Then 1 by x. It is 1. 1 means what? X. Okay. Now you see there is another dx. So we can give here integration sign and it is dx. That means we are getting I equals to x sine ln x minus x cosine ln x. This is plus minus minus. X's will be omitted. So we are getting a sine ln x dx. Dear students, can you please remember what was our math? Actually, we had this math. Can you remember, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, which is regarded or which will be regarded as by I for integration? We are getting the same math again after doing math. Have you seen? We are getting the same math. This is again I. So will I do it again? No, we will not do it again. So for this, it is also I. Okay, it is the same math I that we started from the very beginning of the question number 10. Question number 2, 3. Now you see what we are getting here. Minus I, here it is I. So it will be 2i. 2i is equal to x sine ln x minus x cosine ln x. Is it? Okay. So I is equal to, oh, here we have to give here plus c. Here we have to give here plus c. Okay. So I equal to what? This is half. And you see we can take x common. So it is half x. Second bracket sine ln x minus cosine ln x. Second bracket is done. This is plus c. So we are done here. It is x sine x dx. Sine x dx. You carry on doing this math. It is x sine x dx. Okay. Minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dx. It is u for x, integration sign. Okay. Sine x dx, sine x dx. Then it is again dx. Okay. So we are getting sine x for what? What is the integration of sine x? Minus cosine x, right? This is x. X is 1. So I'm not going to write down that one. Sine x is what? Minus cosine x. So plus cosine x dx. Talk to me. It is what? Talk to me. Minus cosine x. This is 1. We don't have any function. And it is what? Minus cosine. Minus minus plus dx. This is dx. So it is dx. That is minus x cos x. What is cosine x? Talk to me. Sin x plus c. And we have got our answer.
স্যার এই এক্সারসাইজে কয়টা ম্যাথস আছে?
31. It is not like the previous exercise, and we will not never get any exercise like the previous exercise. Okay, now you see question number 4. It is x cosine x dx. X cosine x dx. Can you do it? Talk to me. What will you do? This is x cosine x dx. Okay, minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dx. This is x, again integration sign, cosine x dx, third bracket dx. So we are getting the same formula. If I don't do it, you can do it. What is integration of cosine x? Is sine x minus, this is a 1, no value, cosine x is sine x, and at last it is dx. It is dx. Now, what is integration of sine x? Minus cosine x, so plus cosine x plus c. We have got our answer. Is it hard?
স্যার
Yes.
এখানে sin x কে u ধরা যাবে না?
This one cosine x.
হ্যাঁ স্যার ওইটাই, cosine x
Huh?
কে u ধরা যাবে না?
Of course it can be. But dear students, if we get here only x here, and its integration is what? Sorry, its dimension is 1. And if we multiply by 1, then we get the same result here. But when you will let this as u, okay, please try to understand. So here there will be sin x, suppose, or minus sin x. And if it is x, it will be x square by 2. So we are getting again another math, x square by 2 and sin x. Have you seen? Why I am again and again taking x as u? Because its differentiation is 1. So actually, we literally we are, I mean, being left always only this part of one function. When you will let this is u and this is v, here you have to get another formula. Okay, and if it continues, then you will get another formula. If again it continues, you will get another formula. So the math will never be finished. Have got me or not? Okay. Now going to question number 5. You see, it is x sin x cosine x, x sin x cosine x dx. Not a matter, we can write down half x to sin x cosine x. Is it? That means we are getting here half x, it is sin 2x, sin 2x dx. Now I think you can do it, right? Talk to me. Okay, it is half, it is x sin 2x dx. Okay, minus half integration sign, third bracket, d by dx x. Okay. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, so what you're getting here, this is half. Okay, then again integration sign, sin 2x dx, sin 2x dx, third bracket closed, then again dx. Okay, that means we are getting here, this is half x, You see sine 2x means what? Minus cosine 2x by, this is 2, it will be divided by 2. Okay, and this is again minus up. This is x is 1, we are not getting any function, and it is, you see, minus cosine 2x. So that minus and this minus will be plus here. So it is here cosine 2x by 2 dx. That means we are getting here minus x cosine 2x by 4. This is plus 1 by 4. What is the integration of cosine 2x? Is sine 2x by 2. Sine 2x by 2 plus c. Okay. So now you can write down, I know, 1 by 8. This is 1 by 8 sine 2x minus 1 by 4 x cosine 2x plus c. This is the answer. Yes, you're right. So from now onward, I will not do all the maths. Okay, I'll give you the format only, and you will practice all maths at home. Okay, then it is question number 6. 6.1. X sine square x dx. You see, this is x sine square x dx. Okay, what will you do? We don't have any formula on this, so we have to write down half. This is x, this is 2 sine square x dx. Is it? Very good. That is half. It is x. 2 sine square x means what? 1 minus cos 2x, right? Okay. That means we are getting here half x dx minus half x cos 2x dx. Talk to me. Hello. Are you getting me? So
Yes, sir.
you can get its integration. Here it is u and it is v. Okay. Is it? Yes, it is. Now it is your homework. Then we are getting same type of math. Number 2, x cos square x dx. Same math. Okay. What will you do? It is half. It is x. It is 2 cos square x dx. Okay. That means it is half. It is x. It is what? 1 plus cosine 2x. After this, you are getting the same math. So question number 7, you see, what is the question number 7? x sin square x by 2. You see, x sin square x by 2 dx. Same math, half x 2 sin square x by 2 dx, right? That is half, it is x. What is the formula? 1 minus, talk to me, 1 minus cos x. Then you'll do it by yourself. Okay? You'll practice math at home. It is you who will answer in the exam hall. Then we are getting another type of question, that is x square cosine x. Up to question number 7, we had only x. But from question number 8, we are getting x square. So you, think mentally that you have to integrate 2 times as it is power 2. Okay, very good. So what will be done here? It is x square cosine x dx minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dx x square. Okay, then integration sign cosine x dx, third bracket is closed, then dx. Is it okay? So actually what we are getting here, cosine x is what? Sin x. So x square sin x minus, it is what? 2x. And it is cosine x. Cosine x means what? I told you, sin x, integration sign dx. As I told you, that it is to be integrated 2 times. You see, we are getting here 2 functions. Now you can do it again. Are you getting me? Can you do it? X square sin x minus, you see, we are going to give you a third bracket here. So this is u, suppose this is u, sin x dx minus, again integration sign, we are giving here second bracket. So d by dx 2x. 2x has been laid here as by u. Okay, sorry. Okay, then integration sign sin x dx, sin x dx, second bracket, dx, top to bottom, third bracket. Are you getting me? That is, we are getting here
Yes, sir.
x square sin x minus, this is 2x, write down 2x. Sin x is what? Minus cosine x. Minus minus plus cosine x. Now you see this minus minus, here it is plus. It is 2x is what? 2. Okay. Sin x is what? Minus cosine x. So I am going to write down here minus cosine x. Okay. It is dx. Okay. That means it is x square sin x plus 2x cosine x. Cos x is what? Sin x minus 2 sin x plus c. So we have got our answer. Yes, it is the answer.
দাঁড়ান স্যার, লাস্ট লাইন বুঝবেন না।
That I know. Now, suppose question number 9.1. It is x square sin square x. X square sin square x dx. What will you do? Half x square to sin square x dx. Then we can write down half x square 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay, that means we are getting here half x square dx minus half x square cos 2x dx. Now you see we did this type of math in question number 8. Okay, so it is your homework. It is now u, it is v, and you know its integration. So you can do it. It will be given as homework. Now see question number 2 of 9. It is x cube sin x dx. X cube sin x dx. You see it is x cube. So you set up your mind that you have to integrate 3 times. Okay, you have to put it into, can you do it? Or I'll do. Talk to me.
করে দেন স্যার।
Very bad. Anyway, so it is x cube integration sin x dx minus integration sin third bracket d by dx. It is x cube integration sin x dx third bracket close dx. Okay, talk to me. Now you see it is sin x, that is minus cosine x. So x cube cosine x, okay, minus x cube what? 3x square sin x what? Minus cosine x. So it is plus dx. Talk to me. Now, can't you do it after this? Yes, you can do after this, because same type of math you did in question number 8. Same math. In question number 8, you see, it was the math. Okay, in question number 8. Okay, so we have got a lot of maths, and all the maths are of same type. I am going to question number, yes, 10, 1. You see, x sec square x dx, x sec square x dx. We know that integration of sec square x is tan x, okay? So we can do it easily. You see, this is x integration sec square x dx minus integration sin third bracket d by dx x integration sin sec square x dx third bracket close dx. Okay. Now you let me know, please. Sec square is equals to what? Tan x, right? Minus, it is 1. We don't have any functioning. Integration sign, it is 1. Sec square x is tan x. Now it is dx. Okay. Now let me know what is the formula of tan x. Integration of tan x. Who can tell me here? Minus ln absolute value sec x plus c. Can you remember, please? One day I showed you. Yes, it is. I already, I mean, I also showed you the proof. Now we are getting Question number 2 of 10. It is x dx by sine square x. Okay, not a matter. We can write down here x cosec square x dx. Okay, so we can do it now. It is u. It is u. So x cosec square x dx minus integration sign d by dx x integration sign cosec square x dx third bracket close dx. Now can you please let me know what is the integration of cosec square x, or who can tell me?
Sir, minus cos square x
Minus cot x.
minus cot x.
Okay, so it is minus x cot square x, right? I'm sorry, cot x. Okay, now you see this is minus, x is 1, it is minus cot x, so plus cot x dx. Now let me know what is the formula of cot x, or who can tell me? Okay, I showed you, please talk to me. Who can? Plus ln sin x plus c. I gave you the proof. Yes, it is. So we are getting different types of math, nothing else. We are not getting the same type of math. Number 11, you see, it is x sec square x 3x dx. Okay. So you do, not a matter, x sec square, I am sorry, it is sec square 3x. X sec square 3x dx minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dxx, integration sign, sec square 3x dx, third bracket closed, dx. Okay? Are you getting it? Then it is x. What is sec square 3x? Talk to me. What is its formula? Tan 3x. But these 3 will be divided. Is it? Minus, it is 1. Same thing. Tan 3x divided by 3 dx. So we are getting 1 by 3x tan 3x minus, it is 1 by 3. Tan 3x means what? Talk to me. What is tan x? Ln. Talk to me. Ln sec x. Sec means 3x divided by this 3 plus c. So we have got our answer. You have to write down just 1 by 9, nothing else. Okay. Okay. Then we are getting question number 12. You see, x tan square x, x tan square x dx. We don't know any formula regarding tan square x, right? We don't have. So we can write down here x sec square x minus 1. Is it? Talk to me. That is, we are getting here x sec square x dx minus x dx. Okay. Now it is u, it is v. You can do it. Hello. Hello everybody.
Hi, sir.
Now can you do it? Hmm? Yes, you can do it.
পারবো স্যার।
Okay. So same type of math I am not doing. Okay. Now question number 13. This is cosec cube x dx. It can be done, you see, nothing to do here. It is cosec x dot cosec square x dx. It is u, it is v. Can you do it? Cosec x, cosec square x dx. Okay? Minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dx, cosec x. Okay? Then integration, cosec square x dx, third bracket closed. Then again, it is dx. Now it is cosec x. Now cosec square is what? Minus cot x, right? So write down minus cot x. Okay. Now you see, what is cosec x? Differentiation of cosec x is what? Talk to me. Differentiation of cosec x equals to what? Minus, hello, cosec x. What is the differentiation of cosec x?
Sir, minus
Cosec,
cosec x into cot x.
yes, you are right. That minus minus will be plus cosec x cot x. Okay. Now you see, it is what? Cosec square x. Cosec square equals to what? Minus cot x. Okay, that's good. Write down minus cot x. Okay. So we are getting a top to bottom second bracket dx. Is it? Is it okay? Now you see again minus cosec x cot x. Now here it is minus. We are getting cosec x and it is what? Cot square x dx. Is it? Okay, you can write down here I. It is equal to I. It is I. It is I. That is we are getting I is equal to minus cosec x cot x minus. Uh, it can be written like this. Cosec x. Okay. What is cot square x? Talk to me. Cosec square x minus 1. You are required to talk to me. Is it? Or I is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Okay. This is minus cosec x cosec square x. That is cosec cube x dx minus minus plus. This is plus. So we are getting here cosec x. Okay. That is I is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Now can you please remember what was our math? It is what? Talk to me. It is I. It was our initial math. Now please let me know. Equals to what? What is the formula? What is the formula? What is the integration of cosec x? That I showed you, you all have forgot it. Ln tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. This is plus c. This is the formula. One day I showed you this type of 4 or 5 integrations. So I and I will be twice I is equal to minus cosec x cot x plus ln tan x by 2 plus c. So from here we can write down I equals to what? I is equal to minus half cosec x cot x plus half ln tan x by 2, then it is plus c, and we're done. Yes, it is done, sir. Please try to understand
স্যার আজকে আর কয়টা ম্যাথ করাবেন?
as you want. I don't have any obligatory.
ওকে।
Dear students, once I told you, if there is ln x, you let it u. Okay? It will be taken as u. As well as if there is ex, it will be regarded as v, vice versa. Okay? So please try to understand. For ln x, I told you to take u, but for ex, it is to be taken as v. So we are getting our question number 14 that is ex cos x dx. I equal to ex cos x dx. Okay. So what will we do? We'll write down cosine x dot ex dx. That is, we are getting cosine x ex dx, right? Minus integration sign d by dx cosine x, right? Then integration ex dx. Here it is third bracket dx, right? Okay, so we are getting cosine x, it is e to the power x, e to the power x. As there is no change, e to the power x equals to e to the power x, so we'll let it minus, this is sine x, so it is plus sine x, e to the power x is e to the power x, and it is dx. This is integration sign, this is integration sign. And of course it is I. Now you see, this is I again, e to the power x cosine x. Okay. Now it is another formula. You see, this is sine x integration e to the power x dx minus integration sign third bracket d by dx sine x integration e to the power x dx third bracket closed dx. Okay. Now let me know which is again I equals to e to the power x cosine x. It is plus sine x. It is e to the power x dx. Okay, minus Sin x is cosine x. It is e to the power x dx. Now you please go to the initial of starting question number 14.1. It is I, right? Oh, it is not dx. This dx will not be there. E to the power x sin x, then it is I. Okay. So I and I will make 2y. That is e to the power x sin x plus cos x. It is plus c. It is plus c. So I is equal to half e to the power x sin x plus cosine x plus c. Now let's see the answer. Yes, you answered right now. Is it okay? And we'll have the same type of math. I am not going to do it. 14.2. Same type of math. It is e to the power x sine 2x dx. Okay. It is u and it is sorry. It is v and it is u. So it will be given as homework. You'll do it. Okay. Same type of math. Same type. Then we are getting question number 15 on. It is what? E to the power 2x sin x. E to the power 2x sin x dx. Will I do or you will do? What I told you, e to the power x is to be considered as by what? V,
স্যার এই
right?
একটা দেখান, পরেরটা সেম হলে আমরা করে নিব।
Same math. Okay. Anyway, I'm again going to show it. This is sin x, and this is e to the power 2x. This is dx. Okay. Now let me know which is equal to what? Sin x e to the power 2x dx, right? Minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dx sin x. Integration e to the power 2x dx, third bracket, dx. Is it? So talk to me. E to the power x is equals to what? E to the power x. This is 2x, so it's in the 2x, 2. Coefficient is 2. Will be divided by 2, right? Okay. Then minus sin x equals to what? Cosine x. It is e to the power 2x. E to the power 2x by 2 dx integration. Okay. Then we are getting here, you see, half e to the power 2x sin x minus, it is half what I told you. It is again, okay, I am going to write down another line, cosine x e to the power 2x dx. And obviously all are i's. Okay, it is I. It is I. Again, we are getting here I is equal to half e to the power 2x, then it is sin x, okay, minus, okay, half You see it is cosine x, it is e to the power 2x dx. Okay. In the formula there is minus, and this minus will make plus at a time. It is half. Are you getting me? In the formula there is minus, and there is minus, 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 plus. It is half. Okay. Integration sign, third bracket, d by dx, cosine x, e to the power x dx, third bracket close, dx. Okay. That is I equal to half e to the power 2x sine x minus half. It is cosine x, not a matter, cosine x e to the power 2x by 2. Okay. It is what? Plus half cos x. Cos x is minus sine x. Write down minus half sine x e to the, oh, it is, I'm sorry, it is e to the power 2x. Make it 2x. So it is e to the power 2x. That means we have to write down here e to the power 2x. This is by 2. Okay. Is it integration sign dx? Actually, what we are getting here? Half e to the power 2x sine x minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x cosine x minus 2 to 4 1 by 4. You see, it is what? E to the power 2x sine x. That is equals to I. Talk to me. All of you are equal to talk to me.
স্যার আপনার ক্যামেরাতে মনে হয় হ্যাং খেয়ে গিয়েছিল ফর আ মোমেন্ট।
No, it's okay.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, এখন ঠিক আছে।
Okay. Are you getting it or not? Talk to me. It is 2 to the 4, right? E to the power 2x sine x equals to I. Now you see I, and this is, so we are getting here I plus 1 by 4i, which is equal to half e to the power 2x sine x minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x cosine x plus c. Now can you please let me know 5 by 4i? 5 by 4i is equal to half e to the power 2x sine x minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x cosine x plus c. But we have to find the value of I. So I is equal to, this is 5 by 4. Here it will be 4 by 5. Okay. 4 by 5. That is 4 by 5 into half e to the power 2x sine x minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x cosine x plus c. Now what is to do? You have to just multiply it. That is, we are getting here 2 to the 4. That is 2 by 5 e to the power 2x sine x minus 4 will be omitted. It is only 1 by 5 e to the power 2x cosine x plus c. This is the answer.